Hello and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll explore how to change the slider arrow color in the Divi Gallery module's slider layout. Customizing these arrows not only enhances the overall look of your galleries, but also ensures navigation controls stay clearly visible, even on images with light or varying backgrounds. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to adjust the arrow color to match your site's design and make your galleries more user-friendly and visually appealing. Let's get started. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to change the slider arrow color in the Divi Gallery module, you can use the Divi Gallery Booster or Divi Booster plugin. These plugins provide a simple, user-friendly setting that allows you to customize the arrow colors directly within the gallery module's design options. This approach ensures your navigation arrows remain visible and align with your site's design. For detailed steps, be sure to check out the accompanying post linked below. To get started, you'll first need to set up your gallery module using the Divi Builder. Begin by adding a single column row to your page. From the list of available modules, select the Gallery module. Once the module is added to your page, click on Add Gallery Images. This will allow you to choose the images you want to display in your slider. Simply browse through your media library, select your desired images, and insert them into the gallery. Now that your gallery module is set up and your images are added, it's time to configure the layout as a slider. Start by opening the module settings. At the top, click on the Design tab, then scroll down and expand the Layout section. From the drop-down menu, select Slider to transform your gallery into a sleek slider layout. To customize the appearance of your gallery's navigation arrows, make sure you're still in the Design tab of the Gallery module settings. Scroll down until you find the Slider Arrows section. Then click to expand it. This is where you'll be able to make adjustments to the look of the arrows for your slider. In the Slider Arrows settings, you'll find an option to customize the color of your navigation arrows. Click on the Color Preview to open the color picker. From there, you can either enter a specific hex color code or choose a color directly from the palette. Once selected, the new color will be applied to your slider arrows, allowing you to make them stand out or seamlessly match your site's design. Once you're satisfied with your arrow color adjustments, close any open dialogues in the Gallery module. Be sure to save your changes and then publish the page to make your updated gallery live on your site. To preview your changes, visit the front end of your page and hover your mouse over the gallery slider area. You should now see the navigation arrows displayed in the custom color you selected. This not only enhances the visual appeal, but also ensures the gallery remains user-friendly and easy to navigate. And that's it. You've now successfully customized the slider arrow color in the Divi Gallery module slider layout. This small change can make a big difference, enhancing both the appearance and functionality of your image galleries. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!